This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, this is Professor Olson. I'm doing the midweek critique for week 3 color theory, and we have a couple people submitted work. I will look again tomorrow at noon and see whatever else people have submitted. I'm going to start off with Tony. Tony, you did Stone Soup. You're working with a good structured color palette. You've got your assigned color, which is kind of a dark red, and you went with a tint and a lighter version, and then you went with the complement. Now, red and green as a complement are usually pretty hard to work with because you can look like Christmas or Italian flag, but you did a good job. It looks good. I like this pattern with these sort of botanical things in the background. I'm not a super fan of this drop shadow on your logo. I feel like this could be structured a little differently, but it's not bad. But your business cards are well done. The name of the person is set off. The rest of the information is organized. Letterhead looks okay. The letter itself could maybe look a little more realistic. And you just have like a strip down here. Could you actually use this pattern, a very light texture in some part of the letterhead? Maybe, just an experiment, maybe work. When you do the envelope, it's good to have the logo lock up here, or you can just do the icon as you've done, but just make this a regular font and don't put drop shadows on the type. You're getting a little drop shadow crazy. I do like this kind of lighter version of the pattern as well. And altogether, when you see it all together, it seems to be working fairly well as a sort of branded look. So good job, Tony. Next up, we've got Victoria. You're doing Iona's Treats. So for some reason, you're not using the template, and I'm concerned about that. Make sure you use the template that we provided. I'm guessing that this is your business card. Not sure why the magenta lines underneath. A little note on your logo, you've got what we would call a combo mark where the type is in the icon, and that is more difficult to work with. Your type is very thin and very hard to read. I can't see what the icon is, like this, I guess it's a pretzel, maybe. So this isn't real clear, and that logo could work better if you pulled the type out from it, put it underneath. And you're not really adding any sort of branded elements to this, like a pattern or more colors or a texture, and I don't see your color palette as well. So make sure you're following the instructions and reading the template and using the templates that we provided. So that's all we've got for today. Hopefully you're all working hard and we can see some more work tomorrow. Have a good day.